Fellow traders, welcome to FX View. So today's topic is gonna be how to trade triangle chart patterns. Alright, so we're going to see two examples here in gold and see how you can spot them and trade them and take the most profit from them. So before we spot any triangle on the chart, there is three types: ascending triangle, descending triangle, and the symmetrical triangle. We're going to see two examples of these on the chart right now that is in front of us. I'm gonna draw a rectangle just to spot the area where the triangle is leaning on. So for now I'm gonna choose the triangle pattern. It's easy on trading view to spot it here and use it. You choose a lower low with a higher high, a higher low with a lower high. So it's A, B, C, D. As for now, that's the triangle. I'm going to other frames so you can see what did I draw. So that is a symmetrical triangle that we spot here, and we're going to see, as you can see, there is a retest before the price goes up. There is a break and a retest. I'm gonna show you this on a lower time frame. See, the price is breaking and it made a retest before going up very high. So I'm gonna see here how many pips we have on this trade. This is the entry level, and we're gonna spot the take profit level right here, and let's take profit. So now I'm gonna add how many pips we have won on this trade. It's approximately 116 pips, and you can post the stop loss below the higher low. Another symmetrical triangle you can spot, guys. Here I draw two trend lines. You can see there is a retest, and that's what we like the most. Retest is our entries, guys. You should remember this. And we add to count our pips. Simple as that. You gain 430 pips as easy as this. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on another video with another educational video. Comment below what you think of this. Thanks for watching.